10 out of 10 recommend not working on this car. That was probably the hardest thing I've ever done. G'day guys, welcome back to Uncle Joe Racing. We're on another adventure here from Chicago all the way to Minnesota to go pick up myself an Audi R8, I reckon. It's a 2009 silver, not the best color, but maybe we'll wrap it white or something like that. Comes with an extra set of rims. Gated 6-speed manual transmission. $56,800. That's the most I've ever spent on a car. You guys better like, comment, subscribe, because this shit's not cheap. All right, we'll catch you guys when we get to the car. 6 hours and we'll be there. Well guys, we're here with the R8. First fill up.
On our way back, finally with the Audi. It's noon. We're gonna get home in like 7 hours. Let the journey begin. Does look pretty good from the back.
All right, everybody, we've got the R8 back home. This is a dirty, dirty girl. I tell you what, you can see just how filthy that is. Not a race car, not true. But look at how filthy the interior is. This is the dirtiest car I've ever bought. Like, everything has dirt all around it. Time to give this thing an absolute bath that it is deserving of. We're gonna make this look real good. So let me get back to you guys in a second. All this is gonna be nice and clean. Clean up the whole engine bay. That's dirty too, and the glass is so dirty. I don't think the glass has been cleaned in years. Look at how dirty this is. Look, it even came with a lollipop. Just filthy. This is how he sold the car. Oh, I made a penny back. Gross. Dirty, dirty, dirty. And we're gonna take that thing off. All right, time to get to cleaning. Gonna start by blowing out some of the places. Oh, what is that? We found a sticker. Blue sticker. See? Gotta get in all those little gaps. Pulling out the carpet. Wow, that is so dirty under there. I guess I'm a dealer now. Oh, it's so gross. Ugh. Definitely a race car. That's the first thing almost that we need to get rid of. See? It's a race car. Wow, wow, what a difference. Oh, it needed it so bad. This poor car. Just neglected. No more stupid stickers on the side. Very clean, I like.
4 to 6 days later.
It's morning, the car's getting its first wash.
Oh, it's leaking.
Oh my God. Where did that come from? Oh, the windshield's leaking. That's no bueno. Well, that's a new, never seen that before.
It inked on me.
Oh, babe, we need to wipe the inside of the windshield now.
2 hours later.
There's your license back. Everything's
Thank
good to
you.
go. I stopped you at no plate. You know that's why I stopped you, but you know that's not the reason I was looking at you guys
Yeah.
banging down the road, right?
Yeah.
All right. Slow her down.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
All right. Take care.
Holy shit.
Is my wallet over there? Oh my God, my fly's down.
You're like, officer, I'll do anything.
I'll suck your dick right now. All right, guys, we're back on a rainy Chicago day. So we're in the garage. We're about to change out this stock exhaust for this beautiful titanium one. We've already got the carbon fiber sides on. Looks 1,000 times better. But, you know, we need to let this V8 sing. So let's get absolutely everything removed so we can get to that exhaust and put on that there titanium one. All right, guys, got the crazy hair. This has been wild. What a journey taking this thing off. That's a lot of work. Also, I don't like this. It looks like that's JB Weld. But yeah, that was the hardest exhaust so far. Not excited to put it all back together. Well, that's all mounted up. We got the air filters just slapped back on. This guy, pain in the ass to put back on. It's a little bit loose. We're gonna have to still button some stuff up down there, but I wanna start it and see how it sounds. New exhaust, titanium.
But don't blow up.
Pretty good if you ask me. Well, guys, doing the transmission, that was definitely a dirty girl. Car's almost back together, exhaust is on, but I figured while we're here, might as well change that, and I'm glad we are. Well, guys, mid-suspension install, we got the old absolutely caked, destroyed, and the new. And the old exhaust. All right, we got the front suspension. That one's definitely blown. That one's on the way out. The rear suspension, both those are done. Old exhaust. And the car's all back together. All right, guys. Well, we're back with the Audi. I have to redo all the work that I did before. This kind of sucks. I have to take off the whole bumper and all this other stuff because the clutch is slipping. Super fun. That's always what you want to hear. I'm pretty sure it's still the OEM clutch, so it's kind of about right. We're right at 50,000 miles, but it just sucks. I was driving the other day on Thanksgiving and I pushed the gas and it went wow, and I'm like, oh no. So I have the new clutch. It's supposed to be getting here it's supposed to be getting here yesterday, but now it's getting here on Monday. Today is Saturday, so I have to pull all this apart. We're going to do a valve cleaning, and we're going to do the clutch and an oil change. This is a lot of work. This sucks. I already had the whole back end apart once, so, I mean, maybe it's easier this time, but we'll see. All right, guys. Day 2 in the books. Transmission's out. 10 out of 10 recommend not working on this car. That was probably the hardest thing I've ever done. So we have a slave cylinder and the clutch. The clutch is not horrible. Let me show you guys the clutch. Well, guys, we got the slave. I think the slave might have been leaking a touch. It's a little greasy. And the clutch is pretty much gone. I'm trying to show you guys. There's like only little tiny ridges. I can barely get a nail in there. It looks a little bit more on camera, but I'm pretty sure she's toast. And then the flywheel actually looks a little glazed too, actually. Not as bad as I thought. But we have a new one coming anyways. That was such a job. Look at everything that had to come apart. God, that sucks. Look at all the pieces. There's pieces and pieces and pieces and more pieces. And then there's the transmission, which was horrible to get out. And then more pieces and then more pieces. And we had to buy this guy just to get it out. Super fun job. We like. All right, guys, we've got the clutch out. This is probably one of the most expensive boxes I've had delivered in a long, long time. Velocity AP, I appreciate you guys for getting it here so quick. Let's pop this guy open. Oh, well, first off the bat, we got some Velocity AP swag. Thanks, guys. And some super cool air fresheners. Gotta love it. Oh, and another Velocity AP swag. And then we've got some new bolts and This is the flywheel, I'm guessing. This the flywheel, which we still need to take off the car. I'm gonna take this off because it's bugging me. And we got a new slave cylinder, which we have the old one on the ground right there. So this is the new guy to replace that guy right there. Oh, very nice. Very demure. That's very nice. And then we got the most expensive part, Velocity AP. Let's open this for you guys this way. Oh, it's like the Halo theme song right now, opening this thing up. Let's see how this guy looks in comparison. Oh, this is scary. That's a lot of money right here. I mean, it really doesn't look like that much more than what's on that one. I mean, it does look a little thicker, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, it looks a little thicker. I don't know what was going bad. I guess the actual depth of the things look a little deeper, but they really don't look that much deeper. Hey. Could you imagine if I'm doing all this for no reason? I would be so upset and spaghetti. So we got that guy. Oh, it really doesn't look like that much more. That's kind of really disappointing. But maybe these clutches just start slipping with very little wear on them. Oh, that's really hard to open. This is Joe-proof, apparently. Oh, look. Some more Velocity AP swag. That's super cool. Thanks, guys, over there for getting this so quick. Oh, God, it's on there really tight.
Why don't you use scissors or something sharp?
I got these guys. And this is the new flywheel. Very nice.
Shiny.
Very shiny. Looks just like the one in there. Okay. Alright guys, so we got the new flywheel and the old one. That's just from me touching it and trying to figure out if it was bad. But I mean, we got a decent bit of clutch material and it seems like a little bit of a grease. I don't know. But got the rear main seal all cleaned up. Good to go. Time to start putting it back together, I reckon. All right, guys, end of day 3. We've got the trans back in the car. Not fun at all to get that actually lined up, but we've got it back in. Now we got a bunch more stuff to do tomorrow. We'll get all the rest together and bleed the clutch. And yeah. All right, guys, we're back. Day 4. Putting some oil in. The car's most of the way back together, so I'm a little excited about that. Exhaust has to go on, then the bumper, then all the other little trim pieces, and then I think we're driving again. All right, guys, we're back. Day 4. Motor, trans, everything's back in from yesterday, but now we got to come up here to the front of the car, and we got to drill a hole to get to the master brake reservoir because it's up under here, and to get to it from the side, you have to like undo all this stuff, and they say it breaks, so we don't want to do that because Audi parts are expensive. All right, boys and girls, you know it's a fun time when you have to drill holes to get to your master cylinder. It's like right here, but we can't bleed the clutch without doing that. So we got ourselves a 3-inch drill bit. Everybody online says to do this, so I think we're just gonna take the risk and do it. I don't know how I'm gonna get this to like a, oh God. I don't know how many. I might do the pilot hole first.
Yeah, this is how they do it at Audi.
Audi official, Audi approved. All right, we're gonna start with a 3-inch hole.
And then what, make it bigger if it needs to be?
Yeah. Okay. It's right there. Okay.
Hopefully we don't hear screaming in like 30 seconds. Whoa.
Got it. Here, come show them the nice
Oof.
little entry hole that we have now to our brake fluid reservoir.
Oh, that's perfect.
That's perfect.
You know, it'd be nice if they made the car like that in the first place.
Yeah,
Where you
and then
can
when it
just
goes back
access
down, see? Then we'll clean all this edging up, and then we'll put a little cover over it. Very nice. Now I have access. I like drilling a hole in the R8. I like.
It makes me nervous when you drill holes in very expensive things.
Yeah, it's scary to drill holes in expensive things, guys.
Like the Aston Martin headlights.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, at least I've drilled something into every one of these cars. You know?
That's perfect.
That's perfect. Sweet. All right, guys, we're back. It's been a busy morning. It's all together. We've got the whole car besides, I'm going to put on the airbox top and then the little sides that go in there. But it's together. We're about to do a first start. Fingers crossed. It's all good. Please, 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 please. Okay, guys. Clutch is back in the car. This has been quite the process. It's been five days? 5 days now. Work maybe like 4 to 5 hours a day. It's definitely a learning process. This is the first start. Let's hope nothing explodes. All right, you ready, guys?
Especially since I'm behind the car.
Oh, babe, I'm scared. Okay.
Please work. Thank God.
That's good, but now let's look up that light. We're at the Freedom Factory!